Hello and welcome to this introductory video on purchase orders in GBMS. Purchase orders are located under Front Office, Purchasing, and then Purchase Order. By using the Purchase Order Inquiry filter, we can quickly locate an individual purchase order or a group of orders based on filter components such as your vendor's name or ID or a date range. If we would like to preview the purchase orders, we can use the search button to display the orders that we have filtered on. Then we can click on one of these purchase orders to bring it up when the purchase order screen is open. To create a new purchase order, we simply click on the New button. First thing we need to do is select the warehouse we plan to receive our product into. Next, we go down to the Vendor ID field and enter the first few characters of the vendor's ID or the vendor's name. GBMS has a Suggest Lookup feature that will drill down to the vendor you're looking for as you add more characters in the text field. Notice that once our warehouse and vendor are selected, all our PO header information is automatically populated from warehouse settings in the vendor's master file. We can edit any of this pre-populated data if we would like to change any order information such as the receiving warehouse or any of the ship to information such as the contact name or any of the terms and conditions such as the payment terms. Next, we need to click on the Save button to save our PO, and then we're ready to enter our order lines. Adding lines is easy, and we just need to enter either the first few characters of the item number or the item description to locate the item. Then we tab over to the Order Quantity field to enter a quantity and hit the Tab key to automatically save this line and add a new line item. Let's add in one more new item. GBMS can also import items directly from an Excel spreadsheet. If we click on the Import Order Lines link, it'll bring up an import utility that will allow us to search for a saved Excel spreadsheet with our items that we want to include on this purchase order. If we search on that, we then find our Excel spreadsheet with our purchase order items. We can double click on it to bring it in, and then we need to first validate it by clicking on the Validate button. This will ensure that our items that we have put on our purchase order are all in the correct format. Once that is successful, we click on the Upload button, and our items will be uploaded into our purchase order. Here we have item 1060 and item 1100. Now we simply close this import utility window, and we refresh our PO, and we see all four lines that we either entered manually or we imported in through our import utility. Now let's preview the print copy of our purchase order, which can be faxed or emailed to your vendor. After we finish entering all our items, we go to the Options tab and approve the PO. If we need to make any changes, there is an Edit button available to open the PO back up for editing. GBMS also has a Suggest Items feature which can automatically generate all the lines on a purchase order based on the items that are set up for the vendor on the PO and their inventory levels. Once the PO has been received, we can go to the Related Documents tab and see all the documents that get created afterwards, such as receiver documents and put away documents. This concludes our introductory video on purchase orders. Thanks for watching, and please watch our other videos that introduce more of the important features of GBMS, and then be sure to contact Geneva Systems to schedule a live demonstration of GBMS.